Hey everyone, I'm going to show you a little bit on our 2016 Cascade 264LC. This is a rear living room. Do have the large pass-through storage. Side awning with outside speakers as well as a double door entry. Your slide out. And here towards the front is where your outside shower is, your fresh water, your city water connections. Here we are inside with, you have your sleeper sofa, your booth dinette, your kitchen area, up here towards the front you have your bathroom that is right in between your bedroom and your living quarters. And it goes into your bedroom. Towards the back side, you have your swivel chairs with a little bit of storage up top. If you do have questions on this unit or any others, please give us a call at 208-324-4661. Thank you.